if you don't. I'm not sure to subscribe to my channel. And this video, big thumbs up if you like it. Let's get to it. So, actually, today I haven't actually told you what we're doing. We're actually going to be doing a 3 marker challenge. So I've got a lot, like so much markers in here. 44 markers in here. And we're just going to be mixing them up and making them get in 3 colors. So the good thing about this challenge is that you could get good color, and the bad thing about this challenge is because you can knock a lot of things over. So make sure when you are doing this, you not have things like maybe glass or something, because you need to be really careful. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to be coloring in this coloring book. So first, let's choose our 3 colors. So I'm going to mix it up myself, but I'm going to mix it up with my eyes closed because I'm not allowed to see. Then I'll know what I get. The colors I'm actually hoping for. Sorry, you guys. So sorry. Do not fall. Okay. So the colors I'm actually hoping for is this one, and this one. These are the 3 colors I'm hoping for. I mean, others kind of will be good, but I don't want to get like this. That's disgusting. And this. I don't want these 3 colors. I don't like these. Hopefully we'll get good colors. I also have my baby brother. I'll show him at the end of the video. Okay, I'm going to choose now. Hopefully I didn't get brown. 1, 2, and the last one. This one. Wow, those are not bad. Just that this is actually a pretty brown, so I think we'll be fine. It's orange. I think this would kind of be fine. But it's close to pink or red, so I think it should be kind of like pink red. And we have this like tealish, lightish, bluish. Like it's darker than this one, but it's like tealish. So it has like a little bit of the lime green. And those 2 colors will look really pretty together. So I think this one's the best one because it's like